students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. You are reading well, and you have already seen all my videos of chapter 1, that is matter surrounding us. Okay, so today we will discuss about the liquid state and the gaseous states of a matter. On last day we have discussed about the solid states of a matter, and we've discussed different concepts on the solidified matters. Now today we'll start from the liquid state of a matter. Students, you know that liquid substance, it has a medium, those which have a mass and volume both. But if we go for the shape and the structure, and if we try to relate with the solid, no, it can never be relate, because the shape and size of solid matter, it is a particular, right? Whether if I say for the liquid have no proper shape and size. Why? Because the container that is used to keep it will take the actual shape of that matter, of that container, right? So that's why we can never say that the liquid has their proper shape and size. We can say that they have no proper shape and size, but they have a volume, right? Their mass is same, their volume are same, but their shape and size is not equal. It varies on the actual shape of the object or the tumbler where it is kept. That's it. So that is the actual physical property of it. Now if I say for different type of water bodies that is present around us, these are the lakes, small ponds, then rivers, then seas, then oceans. You know that in such type of liquid medium, in such type of water bodies, different water present. Okay, you know that in lakes and ponds mainly the sweet water is present. Sweet water means the potable water, the water that is, or fresh water that can be used for the human beings or the animals. But if I say for the seas and oceans, we know that mostly salty water is present. Okay, and this salty water contains excessive amount of salt inside, or the salt as minerals, it's mixed with the water, so that's why it is salty in taste. Okay, and it is fully non-usable for ourselves. But you have observed that most of the plants and most of the animals and fish also, or aquatic animals, aquatic and fish also live inside the water easily. It is their actual habitat. And few reptiles are also present, like the crocodile. Okay, they used to, or the, you can say the frog, they used to live both on land and in water. Okay, so how is this possible? How can they survive in the inside the water? You know that they also have a kind of habitat. What is the habitat? Their aquatic habitat. Actually, if I say for ourselves, like we all the human beings, and if we say for tiger, lion, buffalo, cow, goat, for such type of living objects, those which are present here and there, okay, we used to live on the land. What for? Because it is our actual habitat. Here we can get the actual air from the atmosphere, we can get the actual food that is, that are fully nutrients, and they are just make our body nutritive. Okay, and we're getting healthy and we can grow easily. So each and everything those which are related to our body, it is going up in a easy process. Okay, so that's why it is our actual habitat. If I say for the aquatic animals, a fish, okay, a fish, when we are taking it out from the water, so for a few minutes it can be alive on the land, but after that it will be dead. What for? Because it is not getting the actual habitat. Okay, what is that? That is the actual atmosphere to live in and to grow up. Okay, the actual atmosphere for any kinds of aquatic animals, that is the water, whether it is the fresh water or the salty water. Okay, so in freshwater and salty water, question can arise, sir, as we know that for the living organisms oxygen gas is important, because without oxygen we can never be alive. Okay, so I have to say that yes, oxygen is present everywhere. It means that it is present on land as well as it is present in water. Next question can arise, sir, how is it possible? You are saying that oxygen is present in water. Yes, oxygen is present in water. You don't you know that the chemical formula of oxygen, the water is H2O, right? The chemical formula of water is H2O, dihydrogen oxide. It means that two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen, when they mixed together, it makes water. So oxygen, one molecule is present there. Okay, so it means that the one molecule of oxygen is not sufficient over there. When water comes in any kinds of medium, there all those hydrogen and oxygen used to move here and there. As we know that particles do not stay in one position. We have already read. So in that manner, in water also, hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules, it means H2 molecules and O2 molecules, they all are moving here and there. Got it? So as they all are moving, it means that the atmospheric oxygen are diffused easily in water. The atmospheric oxygen are diffused easily by the diffusion process in water. Okay, and after diffusing the oxygen in water, the aquatic animals used to absorb it, used to grab it in them. Okay, and they used to continue their respiration process. Did you understand? So in that manner, as the oxygen gas has a ability or tendency to diffuse in water, so easily the atmospheric water comes into the water, and after that the aquatic animals used to take it for the respiration process. Okay, after that they used to release the carbon dioxide like ourselves. It means the aquatic animals releasing the carbon dioxide. Okay, so this carbon dioxide should go directly to the atmosphere? No, carbon used to melt with the water. Carbon used to melt with the water. Okay, and few excessive carbon dioxide used to taken or absorbed by the chlorophyll of the plant body. You know that besides of aquatic animals, aquatic plants are also present, and aquatic plants are also of green in color. Okay, so as they have green in color, so they have chlorophyll in them. So chlorophyll has the stomatal opening in it. Okay, and through the stomatal opening, they are absorbing the sunlight that is falling on water, that is sunlight, as well as the carbon dioxide that is mixing with the water. Okay, so both of them, both of animals and plants, aquatic animals and aquatic plants, have their tendency, or they have the target to, they have targets to absorb the oxygen and carbon dioxide both. Okay, according to them, for their respiration process. That's it. So in this way, their habitat used to grow up, and their life used to grow up. Okay, in this manner. That's it. Now, if I say for the gaseous substances, the gaseous substance, yes, it has no proper structure. Got it? Actually, if I say for our atmosphere, where is atmosphere? I'm not observing where is atmosphere, but atmosphere is fully covered around us, right? It means that different type of air is present here: oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Got it? So such type of gases are mixed here and there, and they're fully surrounded by us. Got it? And all of them are quite good for ourselves except the carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, so that's it. And we know that gas also have, if we take the gas from anywhere and if we try to take out its mass and volume, of course we will get the mass and volume, but we can never say that it has a proper structure, shape and size. We can never say. Got it? Because it is also kind of crystal clear, and it is not observing at all. When we can observe the smoke, when we can observe the gas, if you try to get, or if you try to evaporate the smoke, okay, by burning anything, then you can easily find out the gas, that from where the gas is moving. Or if you try to throw the dust in air, so by the movement of the dust particles, you can also observe the air. Okay, so this is the formation of air, or these such type of you can say that experiments, the very very tricky experiments to find out the air, that where the air is blowing. Okay, that's it. So this is the smallest process, and by this way I have already discussed about the I have discussed about the liquid matter and the gaseous matter. If you have any kinds of problem, you must ask me. And you know that they are very lightweight gas. What are those? Those are hydrogen and helium. Okay, these are so lightweight that they do not stay here around us. They always stay at the stratosphere, means in the space. Okay, helium and hydrogen, it lives mostly in the space. Got it? And the hydrogen balloon, those which are available in fair, in any fair, the people used to sell. So those very hydrogen gas used to form by the experiment process. Okay, by the chemical method. Got it? So this is the matter. I think you have got the actual explanation, actual concept from these explanation. At first, I used to say every time, must read the book at first, must prefer the book at first. Each and every line you have to read very very carefully. Okay, and after that you have to go for the explanation through my channel. Okay, then you will get the full concept of it. That's it. Now, the another topic I must have to say, and this is the conclusion point of it. Look, we have got the three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Now, if I take an example, you have already read this topic, but again, I am just rewinding this. Suppose I am taking a solid ice cube. A solid ice cube, I have taken it. So, it is a solid information. Now, if I keep it on a plate in the room temperature, so after few minutes it will be melted and it will come into liquid. Okay, so it means that the ice has absorbed the temperature, the room temperature. Okay, and so it means that by the temperature or with the help of temperature it has molded itself and it has come into liquid formation. Okay, now when this liquid is already completed, now when this liquid will get the excessive temperature, okay, excessive temperature, then it will convert into gas, right? So from one particular substance we have got the solid, liquid and gas, these three formation. Fine. Again, what we can do, if we try to get the actual smoke or the gaseous form of water, and if I try to cool them, if I try to cool them by absorbing the temperature from there, then the entire gaseous part or the evaporate part of the water will convert into water, liquid water. Okay, then if I reduce the temperature of that water will come into solidified matter, means ice cube. Got it? So it means that by providing the temperature, state of some matter can be changes, states of some matter can be changes by providing the temperature, and by absorbing the temperature, the previous properties can be reversed back. Okay, the previous properties can be reversed back, just like from gas to liquid, liquid to solid, right? In this manner, so this can also be happen. Okay, it's a very tricky manner, very interesting manner. Okay, so hope you have got the full concept of it, and you must try revise this, and those who have not subscribed my channel must subscribe it right now and must click the bell icon, okay, to get the updated notifications, because day to day, day after day, regularly I will send only for you one explanation from the topic. Okay, so that's it. Practice well at home.